So here is my shift linkage. The bushing on the bottom here has worn out, so it doesn't hold on. So I've got a repair kit. So I'll go ahead and take this off, put this on. I won't be able to show you with just one hand, but what you'll do is you'll just pry this tab up. So this piece right here, you'll pry up this edge. So get it there and pry it up, and then the whole thing will slip off this way. As you can see, once that's pried up, you can start to slip. The whole thing just will come off that way, and this piece we just push through, and you can see it's just wallowed out, and that centerpiece that holds it in is gone. Let's compare to the new one. So here they are side by side. There's nothing really wrong with the old one. It's got the little gradients in there, the bumps to hold it in place. But since the plastic is old and brittle, I'll just replace it with the new one. But here's the difference. So it goes on one direction, that's why you've got the slope on it. But looking through there, there's nothing on the inside. So in this one, you can see how it's got that little retainer part on the inside to keep it, and that's what's failed. So other than everything else, it's just that inner little retainer. So let's go ahead and get this in. I want to go ahead and push it on as it rests. And then once it's oriented, just put it on there. So now these little grooves will keep it from sliding back and forth. This is locked in. So now it won't go anywhere.